Welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles to I'm Zans. After Hours episode available every day at 9 p.m. till the next day at 5 a.m. every single day.
Excuse me? Can I use your phone to make a phone call? Just 1 minute. Can I use your phone to make a phone call? Just 1 minute. I need to call someone. Yeah, don't worry, I'm not gonna stay there. Yo, bro. Yo, where are you? No, it's not my phone, bro. They took it. Bro, I don't know, bro. I just stabbed him twice and then... No, I just stabbed him twice, so I don't really know like what happened. Yeah. But when they said they show up and they put the handcuff on me, so no, it's not my phone, bro. It's not my phone. Yeah, they're gonna track the phone, but it's not mine. So. Yeah, thank you. Hello? Surprise, good job.
Wrong father.
Amen. Amen.
Which one's my daddy? This. Who's that? Who's that?
Hi. Say bye.
Hi.
Who you say bye to?
There you are, Daddy. Oh, Daddy.
Aww.
I am Daddy. Wait.
What?
Mkaya! 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 Yo! Daar gaan we voor mij Mkaya. Ik zeg Boedas. Ik zeg Mkaya. Yo, excuse bro, excuse. Doe voor mij Mkaya. Doe voor mij Mkaya. Doe voor mij. I'm so sorry, man. We knew, yeah. It's our best day. We're sorry. Can we say that?
What? To lie in Afrikaans is wat?
Yok.
Jok. Wat?
Yok.
Okay. Opa koop 5 bruin brode en 4 wit brode. What is bread in Afrikaans?
Boykie.
Eh?
Boykie.
Ah, tabangi.
It is.
It's what?
At school they say that.
It's what?
Boykie.
Broiki.
Mm.
Oh, it's me who don't know how to say it, ne?
Mm.
Oh, ek weet nie hoe. Hish.
Hoe praat Afrikaans?
Oh. Jy sê ek weet nie wat. Hoe praat Afrikaans? Oh, it's ek hoe weet nie hoe praat Afrikaans, ne? Jy sê ek weet nie hoe praat Afrikaans. Ora te kon Afrikaans. So you know Afrikaans, I don't know. Eh?
Hmm?
I don't know Afrikaans.
You do.
Are you sure? Are you ready? I'm not too much, ne? Ek weet bietjie. En jy weet baie.
Prank calling our parents.
Time. Ape ba fetsotse ya mamphosa ka koloi no ba tshabile lena ba mtsentshitse boutong.
so ba nono ke thabela kwabo ke thara founela mama ya arabe so no so re ko tlase ke time ke tshuile ba mtsentshitse boatung Mamphosa ne ba mo tshwere ka sethunya papa yo ke tshuile ape nna ke tshabile no bona kore ke bad friend ke tlo ba botsa mathata eta so ba re go tla ba botsa la Time ba tsentshitse Mamphosa boatung ba tshabile lena re go mafias ke ka maoto ke go shashini ke go shashini bantsetse ne ba ntsetse diteki no so ke setse ka joke le ka mmele Mamphosa na setse ka lepona time Mamphosa na setse ka lepona go boatung papa Mamphosa khale ke mokhala ka diteng ya o jabanyana ba batho time a nkutlwelle ka dlala time a shuma Mamphosa mota ejo a shoot time bolala le time mo ntlo tshela sorry time sorry ere ke ta wa no ciao
So if this word is wine, this word would be maga.
It'd be magazine.
Magazine. You don't see how that... That's all right. You know, I'll give you another one, okay? All right. So if this is magazine, this word would be
Porcupine.
Porcupine. You don't you're just not getting it. It's okay. It's okay. I'll do another one for you. All right. So you know this word?
River.
River, yes. Okay, good. So you are getting the hang of it. So if that's river, then this right here would be...
Diver.
No, it's diver. You don't...
Oh, okay.
It's okay. Let me give you one more, okay?
Okay.
All right, so first word is thread.
Thread, yeah.
Which means this word right here would be...
Red.
Well, it depends. So someone who teaches is a...
Teacher.
Which means someone who learns is a...
Learner.
Which means someone who journals is a...
It'd be journaler.
No. Journalist. You don't see how... It's because it's like someone who journals. That's why. Which means someone who volunteers is a...
It'd be volunteerist.
No.
Volunteer her.
No. Volunteer. You don't see how... It's because it's someone who volunteers. You don't see how...